jelly, strawberry jam. Yum. You say thank you to Aunt Lori.
Thank you, Aunt Lori.
Oh, you're welcome, William.
What other presents can I open?
Good
This one
idea.
right on the table,
in your
Henry.
pocket. For me?
Yeah.
Sit in your pocket.
That one right there, right next to the Barbie doll. It's wrapped.
Okay, we're gonna.
That's it. You're
I
looking
won't
right
go
at
in the
it.
pocket, but we'll save it.
That one.
It's really a safe over here.